I was just right in your face.
Got out of town on a boat from the southern islands, sailing to reach for a following sea.
El Bowl La Perla.
She was making for the trades on the outside, and the downhill run to Papa.
Just cover Kevin's face up. Hello world, I've made it down to Puerto Rico, and already I'm meeting up with some friends from back home. Kevin came down here, and we are actually staying with this guy Jimmy that also is from back home. So things are working out really well thus far. I was planning on editing a video today, but I spent a lot of time walking around trying to find some work, doing teaching and things of that nature. And now we've started to connect with some people from Couchsurfing and are just gonna go on an adventure instead. We've hooked up with some Couchsurfers and we are headed to see some ruins.
And the downhill run to Papa. Off the wind on this heading line, the Marquesas. You got 80 feet of a water line, nicely making way.
Coming down here, if you watched the last video, you know that there was a little bit of anxiety about, you know, my financial situation and how things are going to work. But again, I have some faith in humanity, and I feel like one of the things I've learned in all this traveling is that it's just people. Everywhere you go, it's just other humans. And so if you're human yourself, if you are open and, you know, accepting of the people around you, they're gonna be open and accepting of you. And that's what I've found, and I think things will continue to work in that manner, hopefully. And stick around and we'll see if that theory pans out. Say bye, Kevin.
See ya.
Bye.